Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. I am going to design two men's gifts, and I'm going to use these black metal caddies. Okay, so I have put my craft paper down in the openings so I can get height on my items. So I am going to also put in some shred, just a little bit. Okay, so now I have my shred covering my craft paper. So the items I'm going to include is going to be this Hero 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. This Hero body spray. And the Hero men's shea butter cleansing bar, and also this loofah. Okay, men's loofah. All right, so I got to decide what items I want to put in the front, and I think I want to put in this and maybe the soap. I'm going to be interchanging things as I see fit, just to make sure I have it the way I want it. Okay, let's see. Put in the loofah. Let's see, maybe I can do it like this. Okay guys, I think I like that, and I think I'll use the 1/2-inch glue dot. I'll put that on the back of the soap. I'll put 2 of them back there. And see if that gives me a better grip. Okay guys, so this is our gift. We have our loofah in the back, and we have our 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash, our shea butter cleansing bar, and our body spray. So I think that's going to be it for that gift. Put a little bit more. All right. Okay, so shred adds that good finishing touch. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. This is my jute here. A simple wrap. Okay, I might have to put another little glue dot on this cleansing bar, because for some reason it wants to move when I gather the bag up. So we'll put 2 ties on that, And then I pre-made my bow. There are also a lot of videos on my channel that shows these bows being made from the roll of the ribbon to the finished product. So if you want to see the ribbons, you're going to have to look back at the old videos. Okay, so this is going to be our first gift, and I am going to take down these corners here at the bottom. Okay, and then you can always put happy birthday or happy Father's Day or just because, whatever the gift is for. But I think it came out beautiful, guys. Really nice gift for a man. Okay, so we'll put that to the side here. Now we have another caddy that we're going to design, and we are going to find our green shred, and that's what we're going to put in this one. In each compartment. But the space is so tight, it's best to get your shred in, at least the bulk of it, early. I normally wait to the end and put my shred in, but in this instance, I'm going to do it on the front end. Okay, so in this gift, we're going to include Bamboo and Surf shower gel for men. This is the cologne mist here. We have the Bolero shave cream and aftershave lotion. We also have the Gillette. Okay. And I have a wallet here, but I don't know if we're going to have room for that. Okay, so let's get started here. Let's see what items we want to move, put in the front and in the back. So we got our shave cream here. Okay, that's our shave cream there. And we're going to turn the shower gel cologne mist kind of to the side where you can see the back items. Okay, let's see how that looks, guys. Okay, we can also try it in the back. Let's get the shave cream. Let's get these two here. And put the razors in the back. So we can do it that way as well. Okay, so let me decide which way I want to go with this. Okay, I think I'm going to have the Bath and Body Works in the front. They're going to be our main attraction in this gift. We're going to do our shave cream and aftershave lotion in the back. Okay, and what I'm going to do is tape these 3 in the back. Just get a piece of tape, start from one end, go over to the last item. Okay, so we're going to have all 3 of those back there. I'm going to put a little bit of tape here on the spray mist, the cologne mist, and a little bit of tape here on the shower gel. Okay, and then I'm going to add some more shred to give it a more finished look. And let's see, get my jute string here. Tie it twice. And then for this bow, I use this mesh tubing. So this is going to be the bow for this gift. Okay. So this is our gift here. All right. All right, guys. So this is our second men's gift. And like I said, you can adorn the front with happy birthday, happy Father's Day, just because, whatever the event is, or you can just leave it blank like it is, guys. But I think it came out beautiful. So these little containers are really nice for little small gifts. And I think they came out beautiful, guys. And I really like the bow on this one. Okay, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.